320 grit, 1000 grit, 2000 water, and clear coat spray, and paper towels, and a trash bag. Okay, this is Color Master acrylic crystal with durable cover max technology. The reason why I chose this is because it's non-yellowing and it's UV resistant. Here, and you use your 300 grit, you soak it up, and then you soak the headlight. Make sure it's soaked, and when you're doing the sanding, consistently apply water. I've seen some people just spray it once and then just go at it, but I think this is better just to keep it liquidy. Moving on to the 1000 grit. Again, same technique. Apply lots of water and sanding. Keep sanding. Make sure you get those crevices. Look, that's a car. Okay, now you're moving on to the 2000 grit. 2000 grit is your last grit. Continue applying horizontal motions. Make sure you get the crevices, the left corner especially, and avoid any kind of uneven pressure because you don't want to have any curvatures because that'll affect your final result. Alright, so the sanding gets rid of most of the rock chipping and oxidation. However, there's still going to be maybe one or two indentations that you can't remove. But for what the job is, this is excellent. Next process is to start drying the headlight. Make sure it's all clean, no dust particles or pieces of plastic are still on the headlight. Hey, he's just clean now. He's cleaning, yes. It's time to apply the first coat. Check out these motions I'm doing. Do this. Keep a good distance away from the headlight. And don't overspray. Do not overspray. Less is more. When I started doing the second headlight, you'll notice that as I'm doing it, I'm actually overdoing it. Like really overdoing it. And in the end result, which I'll talk about shortly, you're going to see how different it looks from the first headlight. Let it dry for 20 minutes. Put that in. After 25 minutes, it's time for the second coat. Now here goes the second coat. Honestly, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. Like, I can't see the orange peel. Whoa. Fuck. I don't know. Whatever. Oh, I can't pray. Alright, so now I've applied a second clear coat. It's been about 20 minutes. You can see the one on the left. It came out very nice. It is orange peel, yes, but it's really, really clear regardless. However, on the right one, it's opaque. This is more like a 12-foot appearance. Like, you'd have to be 12 foot back to look at it and appreciate it. But this is almost like mint. So What I learned is, and what whoever wants to take this on, is take your time. Take a lot of time and have a lot of patience. Because I took time with this one, but I'm on a time constraint, so I rushed this. And obviously it's not perfect, so take your time. Okay, in order to install your headlights and take them out, you need 8mm nut hex thingamajiggy with this extension. You need this if you have a facelift headlight. If not, you just need flatheads. That's it. These are the only tools you need to remove your headlights or install them. Did you see it? Did you see how I clipped it in from here? Okay, let me get this. Look. See this? Closes. Closes. I think that's it. Okay. Looks so nice now. Okay, look. Here's this clip here. This is important. And check out these little notches. These go under the headlight. Okay, so I just took this off. Note this thing here. This is what is hinging onto the fender, this little notch. Not the camera, just your eyes. Okay, now this clip is in. These two notches are pressed on, and this clip is in too. That's it. That's how you get the trim piece on. There should be a little one for the indicator somewhere. Here it is.